Hey, I'm AllieDanae with the Social Walker Agency, and today I'm going to talk with you about why I love Powersheets. If you've seen any of my other videos, or if you want to look at a few others, you'll see that I've done Powersheet monthly updates, what are Powersheets, and how you can use Powersheets to achieve your monthly goals. But I haven't really talked about why I love them so much and why I think they're beneficial to any business owner and anyone in general. They're not necessarily created for business. They are created to help you figure out what is important to you and what makes your heart beat and what lights you up, what are you passionate about, and then help you figure out ways to do more of that. So I started my business back in February, March of 2016, and throughout the following months I joined a couple different online Facebook groups. I heard about Laura Casey, and I got her book Make It Happen in a 6-month undated set of Powersheets. I really thought it was going to help me set some business goals. I guess I thought it would teach me more about business, and that I would use it to plan content and strategy and all of that. And I will go ahead and admit it did not do that. And I only ended up using like 3 months worth of the sheets and gave 3 months away to someone else. But I spent the rest of the year learning about business in general and just still following back then it was the Laura Casey shop. But I kept following along with what they were doing and finally understood that it isn't really going to teach you about running a business. It's not going to teach you about content and strategy and all of that. What it is going to help you do is stay focused and figure out what are those big goals, whether for your life or for your business, that you want to accomplish. And then it's going to show you how to break those down so that you can achieve those goals. And that's why for the last 2 years I have been using the full 12-month dated version of the Powersheets. I use them for business goals, so I'll set, a monthly goal may be launch a course, but then there needs to be weekly steps or daily processes put in place that I use my daily planner for, or Trello or Asana, whatever software you want to use. And I use both actually. And so I will figure out this big monthly goal, launch a course or do a new newsletter series or something like that. And I will use that for my monthly goal, but then I'll use the action steps that are put into the Powersheets to create my weekly and daily goals to get that big monthly goal done. And then for the life side of Powersheets, it's really helped me focus on people over things. I'm a busy person. When I say that, I'll say yes to almost anything. If people ask me to go to dinner or to an event or to whatever else, I pretty much always say yes. I have FOMO, which is fear of missing out. And so I overload my schedule. And sometimes those things aren't bad things, but they might not be things that are filling, or I will overload myself. And so I can't really enjoy anything that I'm doing because I'm so exhausted. And so in my life side of Powersheets, they have really helped me hone in on what is important to me. It's helping me prioritize my health again. It's helping me prioritize my finances again, and also friendships, and being intentional about talking with people and meeting up with people and just having people in my life in a more intentional way than just these big functions where there's lots and lots of people and I only talk to a few people for very briefly. Powersheets have helped me connect with people on a more one-on-one basis or like a smaller group setting. So those are just a few of the reasons I love Powersheets. They have really helped me take my business forward in a different way than I thought they would, because I definitely thought it was going to be more like coaching me on strategy and content and all of that. But it's more just helped me stay focused on the content and strategy I developed for my business outside of using Powersheets. I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions about Powersheets, please leave them in the comment box below. You can use my affiliate link to purchase your set of Powersheets. You're going to want to make sure you do it soon, because Cultivate will be doing a big Powersheets prep week all together. I'm going to be launching my own Powersheets club in 2019, and there is a lot of prep work in them. They get really, really deep into the heart of you, and so you're going to want time before January 1st to get the prep work done. So go ahead, get your Powersheets, ask me any questions below, follow me on Instagram. I do Powersheets all the time over there, and I hope you love them as much as I do.